to get, receive, to need, require, to tell, inform, to help, assist, to give, provide, to ask, enquire, to ask for, request, to choose, select, to let, allow, to check, verify, empathy. I feel your suffering. Sympathy. I care about your suffering. Apathy. I don't care about your suffering. On Monday, in July, in 2016 at 5 o'clock, in summer, in the morning, on Friday morning, in the past, at the weekend, on the 13th of June. Do you know what is the answer for this question? Try to repeat after me. Tough, tough. Trough, trough. Thought, thought. Though, though. Through, through. Thorough, thorough. Throughout, throughout. Always. The sun always rises in the east. Usually. I don't usually have this problem. Often. How often do you meet? Sometimes. Sometimes I take the bus to work. Occasionally. We go in the fields occasionally. Never. I wish we had never come here. See. To perceive with the eyes. I can't see a thing without my glasses. Look at. To direct your eyes at something. When you take a walk, look around you. Watch. To observe something for a period of time. He watched the waiter prepare the coffee. Miss. Unmarried woman. Mrs. Married woman. Miss. All adult woman. Mr. All adult men.